Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into VidZone AI, a single AI-powered tool that claims to create pro-quality cartoon and doodle videos in 100+ languages in under 60 seconds. Sounds incredible, right? But does it actually deliver on these promises? Let's find out. VidZone AI is packed with some impressive features, making video creation smooth and effortless. Here's what it brings to the table. AI-generated animations instantly create cartoon, doodle, and animated videos with AI magic. 100+ language support. Want to go global? This tool lets you create videos in multiple languages, helping you reach a wider audience. HD and 4K exports. No blurry videos here. Render your videos in high definition, making them look professional. Beginner-friendly interface. No design or animation experience. No problem. The interface is super simple to use. Multiple video styles. Whether you need explainer videos, ads, or storytelling content, there's a style for every need. The feature list is solid, but how easy is it to actually use? Setting up VidZone AI is super simple, even if you're a complete beginner. Just 4 easy steps, and you're all set. Step 1. Log into VidZone AI's dashboard. No complicated setup, just sign in and get started. Step 2. Pick a template or let AI generate a brand new cartoon video from scratch based on your idea. Step 3. Edit characters, backgrounds, text, voiceovers, and animations using the drag and drop editor. Step 4. Sell your AI-generated videos and start earning right away. Effortless, right? The best part? VidZone AI is just $15. A one-time payment, no monthly subscriptions. Plus, it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. If it's not what you expected, simply request a refund, no questions asked. So, is VidZone AI worth it? If you're into video creation, want to make money online, or just love automation, then yes, this tool is definitely worth checking out. But here's the catch. The launch period won't last forever and prices could go up soon. So if you're interested, grab your copy now while it's still at the lowest price. Links in the description.